Welcome to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll guess the favorite meme by their songs. We prepared 20 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. First question, can you guess the name of this meme? Great answer, it's that one guy. It's so funny. Question 2.
Skibidi dop 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 dop, yes 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 yes.
Perfectly, that means skibidi dum dum yes yes.
Skibidi dop 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 dop, yes 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 yes.
That one guy in skibidi dum dum yes yes. Which meme do you like more?
Skibidi dop 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 dop, yes 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 yes.
Which meme do you like more? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Question 4.
1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4.
Which meme do you think this is? Exactly, it's 1, 2, buckle my shoe meme.
1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4.
Question 5.
Skibidi dop 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 dop, yes yes yes.
It's Skibidi Toilet 6, DJ Skibidi Toilet.
Skibidi dop 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 dop, yes yes yes.
Question 6.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros.
It's easy, it's Cristiano Ronaldo's Sui meme.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros.
Question 7. What meme is this? That's right, that's the Wednesday dance. Question 8. Can you find the correct eyes for Wednesday? Time's up. The correct answer is B. Question 9. Which meme do you think this is? Excellent, it's Elgato in my mind. Question 10. Guess the name of this meme. You're great, that meme's Crab Rave. Question 11. It's Rickrolled meme by Ralph. Question 12. Amazing, that's Spider-Man dance. Ralph danced Rickroll with Spider-Man. Who do you think dances better? Who do you think dances better? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Question 14. Do you recognize this meme? Well done, it's Happy Happy Cat meme. It's so cute. Question 15. It's Cat vibing to Levon Polka. Question 16. That interesting meme's Shrexophone. Shrek and Donkey are best friends. Can you guess which ones are real? Time's up, and the correct answer is picture B. Question 18. What meme is this? Good job, it's Thanos meme. Question 19.
Everybody loves a panda party. Party time.
That meme's Poe from Kung Fu Panda.
Everybody loves a panda party. Party time.
Question 20. Can you guess the name of this meme? Which meme do you think it is? Please leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.